Do you spend maybe part of the year in one state and the rest of the year in another state? Maybe you winter in Florida and summer somewhere else up north. Well, if so, you're what we call snowbirds, and your estate planning needs to reflect that. So today in this video, we're going to cover some really smart strategies for managing properties in multiple states. Hi there, my name is Bill O'Leary, and I'm with Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida, focusing on estate planning and probate and elder law. That's all we do. By the way, if you might be interested in preserving your assets and simplifying your estate planning, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. So the topic of this video, estate planning for snowbirds, managing property in multiple states. So in this video, you're going to learn three things, three takeaways. One, how owning property in more than one state can lead to multiple probate proceedings. Number one. Number two, how a revocable living trust can solve this problem of multiple probate cases. And third, how being clear about your state of domicile, where you live, where do you reside, how being clear about that is so very important. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the problem itself, which is this: owning property in more than one state can lead to multiple probate proceedings after you pass away. That means more time, more expenses, and more hassle for your loved ones. Basically, double the expense and the time and the hassle. Can you imagine your family being stuck in not one probate case, but two? So what's the solution? Well, one of the most effective solutions and tools is what's called a revocable living trust. By transferring your properties, such as your home up north and your condo down south, by transferring those properties into the trust, you can avoid probate in both states. Again, as I said, saving the family double the expense and delay. Your successor trustee, the person you name after you, can manage and distribute the assets seamlessly without any court involvement from any state at all. By the way, another tip: be very clear about your state of domicile, where you reside. Your legal residence affects some things like state income taxes, estate taxes, and some other things. You'll want to maintain consistent records so you can prove that state of domicile. Things like driver's license, voter registration, tax filings. You want to maintain those in your primary state. Next, make sure that your estate planning documents, things like your will and your trust, power of attorney, and your healthcare advance directives, all those important legal tools, make sure that they're valid and recognized in both states. Some states have some unique requirements, and what's legal in one may not hold up in another. Also, take a look closely at your property titles. So if you, let's say you're married or you own a property with someone else, do you own it in tenancy in common? Do you own it with joint with right of survivorship? If married, do you own it as tenants by the entirety? Do you own it as community property? All these different sort of co-ownership kind of arrangements can vary by state, and they will affect how your assets will be transferred. And finally, consult with an estate planning attorney who understands multi-state planning. We can help you create a strategy to minimize things like taxes, avoid the unnecessary court proceedings like probate. We really want to keep loved ones out of the courts and give you the peace of mind while you're alive. So if you're a snowbird, maybe looking to simplify your planning, reach out to us here at Legacy Planning Law Group. And so reaching out, it could not be any easier. So we invite you to schedule a phone call with us. It's called our discovery call. It's free. And scheduling is very easy. Appearing at the bottom of this video now is a box. Click on it, takes you to our booking calendar. Pick the time and the day that works for you, and we'll jump on the call. Again, that call is complimentary. If you've thought this video to be helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content. We're putting more and more content up all the time. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. So, Bill O'Leary, I'm going to sign off from this video now. Go make it a great day in a better world. And until we see each other again, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.